take this out so I can put these corn transplants here that I just got from standing out. A little corn I've already planted. Ooh, holy. Look at that. Nice. Oh wow. What is that? I think there's also some eggplant.
Easter egg hunt all over again.
Easter in June. Whoa.
This one right here.
I'm just gonna pull them all in. At this point, they look ready. I want them to stay pretty. They're eating. I have to get in here. I don't know why I didn't put no gloves on. I do that all the time. I just like the dirt. I don't know how many pairs of gloves.
Nice.
I already see them poking out right there. nice clump. Hey,
Yeah, we drove by a little bit earlier.
did you? Oh, okay. I'm like, we're probably back here. Oh, Brown wouldn't hit on that one. That must be a second clump.
It's still in there.
What's going on back here?
Picking potatoes.
New potatoes. Yeah, I've played around with potatoes a few different times, and most of the time I've never honestly gotten that good of an outcome that it was like made it crazy worth it or anything. I mean, it's fun, but
Yeah.
it never turns out like those damn videos that they show. You ain't gonna find no 50-pound bag of potatoes in there.
No.
Oh, I got a whole bunch already in the house too.
Yeah, I got all my sweet potato slips out and everything. Wound up dropping about 40 something in that little spot.
Mm.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it looks like almost all of them are gonna make it too. So
Yeah.
sweet. Overcrowded as hell.
Mhm. We'll see. We'll see what you get. You know, when I get my sweet potatoes from the store, I don't really be wanting those giant ones. Hard to cut.
That first year came out pretty good, but
I mean, those do some good sweet potatoes y'all had that first year.
Mhm.
Some real good sweet potatoes. It is perfect.
yeah, next one I'm kind of considering screwing around with. Probably need more space. Is garlic.
Oh, it don't take up a lot of space. It just takes a long time to grow.
Yeah,
You gotta plant it in the fall.
Uh-huh.
If you want to plant it, if you want to think about planting it, just get you some organic garlic from the grocery store and break up the cloves
Yeah.
and plant them this fall.
Mhm.
Plant it in like September.
Yeah, actually, there's one group on Facebook I follow, and they're real into garlic, so definitely
I
have a
had
resource
this
to
lady
learn
in
from.
this lady at my job. She grows her own garlic, and she makes fermented garlic
Mhm.
honey, and it is pungent to smell. But when I tell you it's good, and it's so good for you, you know, she take it every day. Said it helped her with her diabetes, blood pressure.
Yeah, garlic's supposed to do really good for a lot of stuff. What you doing for the next crop? I mean,
Put some corn in here. Uh-oh, I didn't know you was here, baby.
that's Sean's room.
Uh,
I realized I don't have my damn phone. Well, I was gonna try calling you, and then I realized I didn't have my phone.
oh, wow.
So I figured, well, I'll just
Left
look
it in the
around
car.
the corner and see if you're in the backyard still. And
Hey, baby.
did he see us drive by?
Just playing in the dirt.
We drove by earlier. Did you see us? Forgot to go to ATM.
That's what he said.
Yeah. I was like, oh, well, there's hand. Doesn't matter. Bye.
Oh, so y'all knew I was out here.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Dude, look at red potatoes. Wow. Those used to be my favorite.
You can't eat them?
Yeah, I'm allergic to potatoes.
What's that?
Potatoes and everything.
Yeah, they're hard.
They use it even in medicine. So I need to get on that too. See if my pharmacist actually did anything about that. Oh, oh, look at the teeny babies.
Mm-hmm.
The bumblebees.
This is my favorite plant right here.
Yeah, not the spin wheel.
It's so pretty.
I swear she ain't spun one time.
You be sitting out there smoking the hell out of it.
I've been trying. For some reason, I'm not burning. I think it's the humidity.
It definitely does impact health in the spring. Like my cigarettes tend to roll
That's a nice one.
burn out a lot.
I'm gonna see that.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
Okay, so I recognize these blossoms. Is this a melon or like a pepper?
Those are potatoes.
Potatoes. It's a volunteer potato.
Hmm? I just thought the arch that maybe they were gonna try to get some like hanging.
Yeah. No, I do got some cantaloupe and stuff that'll be coming up soon on the panel. I think I got cantaloupe, sugar baby, and maybe some spaghetti squash. I'm not sure. Can't remember. Did you?
Yeah,
We-
some little wild
He
strawberries
roasted
going
up
on
some
there.
the other day, and I ate some leftovers. Stuffed it with it wasn't sausage, was it? Was it just burger?
No, I just got ground pork and seasoned with that pork sausage.
No, when I nuked it, it actually smelled like pizza. That made me mad. Because I wanted pizza then.
Oh, she's been dying
Woo!
for pizza. She
I
can't
want
have
some
pizza.
pizza. I want thin crust, greasy as hell. Pizza.
Lots of pepperoni.
Oh, please. If I can't have any of
Want me
that,
to start filming? Or?
Yeah.